Hello friends, so we are starting our new course that is strategy for GATE. This particular lesson is all about overview of the course, what all I'll be covering under this course. In this course, I'll be covering the general aptitude part and the engineering mathematics part for GATE examination. I'll be discussing the important topics or the syllabus of engineering mathematics and general aptitude. Apart from that, I'll be discussing the GATE 2017 pattern, how to fill the form for the GATE 2017 and what are the different opportunities after the GATE examination. You can go to foreign universities as well, PSU's jobs, MTech, into research field. I'm going to tell you all those things in detail. And in the last lesson, I'll be discussing the strategy for GATE examination. But before proceeding any further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Harshit Agarwal, graduated from NIT Nagpur in 2008, cleared the Indian Engineering Service examination and the GATE examination. I have got the offer letter from most of the Maharatna and Navratna companies. Regarding course fee, as you already know, there is no course fee as such, but your contributions are always welcomed. You can also follow me on the specified link. So what is the main objective of this course? The main objective of this course is to provide you with the simple strategy for the GATE examination. I'll be giving you some tips, some tricks, what should be the last minute strategy for GATE examination, how to prepare for GATE examination, what is the ideal time for GATE examination, how many months it will take to prepare for this GATE examination. We'll be discussing that in detail. The next lesson would be very important, that is the opportunities for GATE. This particular lesson is very important that students are so much confused कि GATE एग्जाम जब हो जाएगा तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं. जनरली ये रहता है एमटेक और एमई या फिर पीएसयू जॉब्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर मैनी फर्दर अपॉर्चुनिटी. यू कैन गो टू निटी मुंबई, वेरी गुड कॉलेज. You can get into IIMs, you can get into foreign universities. So there is altogether a different lesson on this particular topic. I'll be trying my best to clarify all your doubts regarding GATE examination. And last but not the least, I'll be helping you in solving the multiple choice questions, how to attempt for multiple choice question and how to mainly go practice the virtual calculator. We'll be discussing that as well. Right. Obviously, the aspirants who are preparing for the GATE examination is the target audience for this particular course. Very important course for all of you because only 4 months are left for the GATE examination. Contribute, as you already know, no fees as such. Your contributions are always welcome because it will really motivate me to come up with better and more engaging courses in near future. So these are the 5 lessons under this course. The very first lesson, that is the GATE 2017. In this particular lesson, I'll be discussing about how to fill the application form for the GATE 2017. What are the different streams in which GATE 2017 is being conducted? Who is the organizing institute? IIT Roorkee is the organizing institute for GATE 2017. GATE examination is going to be held in foreign countries as well. For example, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, so Ethiopia. So I'll be discussing that as well. So the very first lesson is all about GATE 2017. The second lesson is very important, that is the approach for general aptitude. The general aptitude carries 15 marks. Out of 100 marks, 15 marks जो है जनरल एप्टीट्यूड के हैं, जिसमें जनरल इंग्लिश और न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी होगा. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर लेसन मैं आपको समझाने वाला हूं कि कैसे आपको जनरल इंग्लिश और न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी प्रिपेयर करना है, व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स एंड सिलेबस रिलेटेड टू दिस जनरल एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन. 10 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे जनरल एप्टीट्यूड के, टोटल 15 मार्क्स होगा, जिसमें से 5 क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क्स के होंगे और 5 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के होंगे. सिमिलरली द थर्ड लेसन इज फॉर इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स. इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स में आपको इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टॉपिक्स, इंपॉर्टेंट सिलेबस में आपको डिस्कस करूंगा. टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन होंगे, जिसमें 15 मार्क्स जो है इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स का होगा. 10 क्वेश्चन में से आउट ऑफ 5 मार्क्स 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन होंगे, 5 क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन होंगे और 5 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन होंगे. सो दीज टू सेक्शन कंटेन्स 30 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100. तो ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको लास्ट मिनट के लिए नहीं छोड़ना है, साथ में रिवाइज करना है. Fourth lesson is very important, opportunities after GATE. I'll be telling you the moment you give the GATE examination, after completion, after the result of GATE, अगर आपका स्कोर इतना अच्छा नहीं आया, रैंक इतना अच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी आपको ईयर ड्रॉप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर आर फर्दर मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. I'll be discussing the opportunities. you can go for MTech in IIT, you can go for PSU jobs. अगर यहाँ नहीं होता है, you can apply for foreign universities in Singapore and Germany. वहाँ नहीं होता, you can go to IIMs as well, you can go to NITI Mumbai as well. So वो सब डिस्कस किया है. जो भी आपको डाउट्स होगा आप मेरे से कंटिन्यूसली पूछ सकते हैं इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड द लास्ट लेसन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट शुड बी द आइडियल अप्रोच फॉर एस्पिरेंट्स. लास्ट 1 मंथ में क्या करना है, लास्ट 5 डेज में क्या करना है, गेट प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कैसे करना है, स्टार्ट करते हुए किस इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना है, व्हाट शुड बी द स्ट्रेटेजी, व्हाट बुक्स टू फॉलो, हाउ मेनी बुक्स टू फॉलो, व्हाट इज द आइडियल टाइम, व्हाट आर द डूज एंड डोंट्स यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. दिस ऑल इज टोल्ड इन 5th lesson. So this is the course for GATE, strategy for GATE. Just go through all the lessons. If you have any doubt while preparing for GATE examination, what you should do after GATE examination, I'll be clearing your doubt. Just focus through these lessons. I'll be coming up with more technical lessons as soon as possible, so that आपका preparation में भी help हो. Just go through the technical lessons or related to mechanical engineering, and we'll be covering up with electrical, electronics, civils, and all the branches related to GATE examination. Thanks a lot from my side. This is Harshit Agarwal.